Welcome back once again. Today we will come with a new ideas. Especially this will be a part two for the students, for the employee, and for the teachers to get more update skill so that they can able to become more smarter in their jobs, in their while they are teaching to the students, while the students is with along with the teacher, so that your teacher might be inspired by your skill. So this video, again, it has been made for all the students, all the employees, and all the teachers. And so that today we are going to, I'm going to teach you how you can able to become more skillful using artificial intelligence. So without wasting much time, let's go ahead. Okay. So let me just roll it down. Let us see the target of today's. This will be the target today. So, today I'll be teaching that you should know how to build your skill using artificial intelligence. Okay, so I will be today's topic will be only one topic that will take a lot of time: how to make graphs diagram from any Excel or Word file format data set. So there are many what to say government job holder, and there are many students who are really lacking back how to be skillful in Excel and in the Word file format. They don't know how to use. But today this is going to change your life forever. You don't need to learn all the details, all the shortcuts and everything. By using artificial intelligence, by using ChatGPT, Gemini, and DeepSeek, you can able to create any Excel format, no matter what the Excel format is. Maybe a thousands big file, or maybe it is a very very big file. Still, then within 1 minute you can able to solve your problems, and there is no nothing to worry. So this video is for you all who really are suffering, who are very struggling with how to do Excel format and Word file and all these things. So I'm going to teach you the shortcut way how you can do that. Okay, let's go ahead. So I'm opening one Excel file. Okay, let us go with first with Excel format. Excel format. I have an Excel format which I have already prepared out here. Say suppose this is your uh, data set, where you are a teacher in a school, in a college, where you have to give a report based on the 2025, the score result of your class 10's candidate, or maybe class 12 candidate. So I'm assuming this is your Excel data set. Okay, now what you can do, this you can do in three ways. You can do in 2 3 ways. I will show you how to do that. And first, I'm going to show using ChatGPT how you can able to do that. So one thing is that if you want to paste the screen, you can type here in your you can write as snipping tools. So see here, snipping tool is there. You can click here in this tool and go to just take a little side. Sorry. Okay, fine. Let us take a little side here, and fine. It's going down. Let us take it. Okay, fine. So I'm taking here new, and you try to scroll out from here where you want the data set to be. Fine. And this will be taken as a screenshot. Otherwise, you can directly click to the screenshot, pointer screenshot, and this is saved already. If you want to save this one, you can save it. Is automatically saved. If you want to save it out here, there's a save option. So to find it more, say student data. So I want to save in my desktop screen file. So I have already saved this. I can cut it now. So what I can do now, let me scroll down here. You can click this plus option and add photo and files where you have saved. See, I have in desktop file, I have saved with the name students data. So you'll find here with the name student data. Let me just go through. Uh, yes, see here, student data, just now, 8:13. So this is the screenshot. Now what we can do? Now again and again I'm saying that you are very good in ChatGPT. There is no doubt. You are smart enough more than me. There is no doubt. You might be using more than 6 7 months. You might be using more than a year. No doubt. I appreciate on that. Go ahead. Very good. But today, but I'm very very clear that they are still lacking back to use proper prompt, right? How to make chat gpt and all these things, you are still lacking back to make how a proper prompt. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to give a proper prompt out here. Look here. Create appro appropriate create appropriate graphs from this excel sheet. Suggest the best chart types based on the data. This is one of the best prompt that you can use. Now in this example you can give in bracket like you want what type of example. This is very very important. Last time I have told you that my as in the prom also, if you have missed out my last previous videos, you can go through there. I have given 5 important basic prompt there. Third or fourth line I have often explained that you need to give a proper example, and when you give proper example that becomes more specific, and you know you're going to get there is no any mistake. Okay, there is no going to be any mistake. So example like whatever example you want. uh, you say you want bar chart, you want pie chart, maybe you want box graph, or maybe you want line graph, in this way. Okay, so I'm giving in the bracket. Now here control enter and come down. You can add one more. You can say point one, include titles which will be more good, access levels. This will explain you what type of access in x-axis, y-axis, what the projections is going to explain you. Okay, and this is very important, legends. Okay, so this way you can create. This is the proper prompt that you can use. Create appropriate graphs from this Excel sheet which is being given. Suggest the best chart type based on the data. Example, you want a bar chart, you want a pie chart, or a box chart, a graph, or line graph. So let us create this. Fine. Let us go ahead and give enter. See now how wonderful it is going to give you the chat. See here, they have given you subject, student wise subject scores, you know how they are going to project these, you know, and what are the legend subject. These are the subjects which are having mathematics, maths, physics, history, arts. So this is a proper form. Now most of them what they do is they just type give me give me the excel format, you know, and give me the word file format. Yeah, you are going to get, there is no doubt, but you know that that is not a professional skill. If you want to become a good teacher, if you want to be a good student, if you want to be a good employer, then you should follow what I'm giving in this prompt. Okay, so this is the way how they have made it, plot and slating, all these things, and horizontal chart total, and so okay fine. Now would you like me to generate this graph for you now using this data? Yes, obviously. Now this is properly defined. Now they told you, they have instructed you what the chat gpt is going to do, already instructed. So now there is no problem. Yes, just type yes. See how it changed. Now the chat gpt is much more smarter, you know. They often they generated the images itself here only, within their platform. So you know that day by day large language model is getting updated, you know. People are very amazing to see such things. See such a wonderful graph. See, can you see in step by step? See now, now this is the line graphs. Now number 3 is average score per subject. See here, this is the box plot graph. Now pie chart is coming little by little. See, this is wonderful, wonderful. You can make a report based on this. And when you make this type of report presentation, I have shown last uh, uh, slide also how to make best presentation PPT in 1 minute. You can go back and check my videos. There, if you add this type of screenshot or projection graphs in your report, or maybe when you're presenting some presentations and you have to submit this report to your head of the department, maybe you have to submit your project report to your senior officers. This will make when they see your this type of project, they'll say, wow, what an excellent job you have done it, right? Maybe that's a great thing, that you should be skillful. So when you can just save this image, you can click right click and save image as. If you want to save this image as, and you can give name as bar graphs, say bar graph 1. So you can save anywhere. If you want to save in desktop, you can save in desktop, no problem. And if you want to check it out, yes, we will check it out. Let's see. uh, just I'm assuming this. Here is the bar graph 1. So you can open with any format. If you want to open in PDF format, you can also you can apply PDF format. And if you want to open in okay, mine, this is out of my no access, that's why it is going like this. Now what you can do, yes, you can able to create like this, and you can able to download as well. And if you want to copy image, you can copy image, and then you go to your Word file, go down. So you can say control V, and you can start pasting out here. There is no problem. See, it will come down. In this way you can able to you know do. Or otherwise, see here, you can able to paste it out here. See how it is coming. You can see the graphs. See how you can project this graph, and you can make it smaller size. The more it is more comfortable to you. In this way you can make your presentation more smarter, more good, by giving a proper prompt. I hope you are enjoying, right? Right, you'll be much smarter. Keep following my channel. You are going to learn a lot. I can assure you are going to learn a lot. Now, I'm not saying proudly, but I'm saying with my heart that really, if you are following my channel, it's really you are going to learn. You're going to become more skillful. No, so I would really suggest you to check it out. Okay, I just got a call, one important call. Just give me 1 second, 1 second. Just give me 1 second. Okay, welcome back. Just I got a one urgent call. That's why I just said, fine. Let us go ahead. This is way how you can make your important, repos and all these things. You can save it out. And if you want to save the graphs line, and if you want to save the box graphs and all these things, this pie chart, if you like to, yeah, you can generate this. There's no problem. Now you know how to generate. Now generating all these things one after the other, you can generate. Box graph is there. This is also same thing you can do. Copy image, then go to the Word file, then you can choose the another format, then you can right click, then you can paste out here, and you are going to get that box file. See here, there's the box file. So in this way you can minimize, you can make your own way how to do that, right? Is it clear now? So this can be used. But one more thing is, in ChatGPT, you can upload the image, very limited, maybe 3 or 4 in a day in 24 hours. So it become a big challenges for you. Now, when you have a lot of work, you're not able to do it. In that case, I would suggest you all to go for Gemini AI, which is free of cost. You can upload as much as you can. If you can upload as much as you want, there is no problem. They will not give. This is a free of cost. It's not like ChatGPT, like limited one. As much as you want. If you want to upload the whole day, you can upload the whole day. There is no problem at all. Okay, so you can use this Gemini AI, and then you can able to start doing your same tasks what I'm doing, the way how I'm showing here. The same prompt you can use in Gemini. Okay, so you don't need to worry, you can go through with that. Fine. And the NAD issue is the most challenging out here. Okay, let me just go through once again. So in this way you can use Gemini. So again I'm showing, don't worry. uh, so let it get uploaded. So this way how you can able to generate easily. So your better thing is that you use this prompt properly, my dear all. I'm saying again, you may get any answer, but please use this prompt. It is very, very important how to use this prompt. If you are especially looking for any graphs based on your students' graphs and all these things. So here, let's see, it's getting loaded. Okay, fine. Let's in the meanwhile, okay, let us write Gemini AI. Okay, so let us go ahead with this. I'm showing how to use Gemini AI. The same method you can apply here. The same method you can apply. You can go to, you can download in your mobile also, going to your Play Store. You can go and download there. You can upload what other images you want to add it. Okay, fine. Same thing here, see. Same thing here. What I'm going to do, I'm going to add this upload file. If you want to upload from a drive, you can upload from a drive. Since I have saved in desktop, so what is the name of that? I forgot. What is the name? Student data, I guess. Oh yeah, yes, I got it, got it. So likewise, here you can add as much as you can. There is no doubt. There is no doubt. The same prompt I'm going to copy, and I'm going to paste it out here. Same thing it's going to give. Okay, so you can differentiate wherever you want to create. Either you want to create in Gemini, you can create in Gemini AI. If you want to create in ChatGPT, if you're familiar with ChatGPT, then you can create in ChatGPT, but it is very limited. That's why I'm teaching you how to get more impactful, how you can able to use all the important smart artificial intelligence tools, so that you can be more smarter in your walkings, uh, in your walking around, in your when you are in the office, maybe when you are a student, or maybe you are a teacher who is teaching, or you need to, so in this way, you can able to explain much more. Yes, see, they have given very clearly and how it is explained. Same thing they have explained. Do one in this way could be, it could show in this way. So it is giving you, they are trying to frame out that what they're looking, they understood clearly that what they're looking. Why they understood clearly? See, because you have given here the proper prompt, right? So that's why they understood very clear, and it's giving generated. And after this, after reading through, yes, yes, please, you can choose the chat that best highlight the specific expression you want to convey. Okay, you can choose any one of them, but I said, um, you don't need to say please, but I'm just writing please generate. Okay, you can go ahead with a okay, graphs. Since I'm very familiar, saying please and all these things, because it teach me my what to say, my behavior as well. That whenever if I ask something, then I feel to say please. Either the person doesn't give me or not, but I will approach saying him in appropriate way. So see here, you are going to get the, it's getting generated. So in this way you can able to generate uh, the online, because of the net issue, but you're going to get the graph here. 100% you're going to get a graphs. Okay, so resize, resume, you can able to again refresh it. So you can use in this way. Okay, fine. Will not make much time. You can use in this way and then generate using a Gemini. And one more thing you can use, since the net is not supporting me in a wonderful way, so you can go and try like this with the proper prompt. That will help you how to generate this. Okay, and also the third one you can use, I'm showing you all the three importance large language model, DeepSeek, here. So you can type this DeepSeek. Yes, see here. You can type this, open this. You log in with your Google account. Then log in. They're asking for login. See, log in with Google. You can log in. Since I'm having already, I hope you all also have the email. Everyone has your email, right? So in this way, you can log in. And let's wait just a moment. Fine, fine. It is coming, it's coming. Okay. So it's taking time little bit. In the meanwhile, what we can do in the, okay, fine. Let me log in with my name. So continue. Yes, good to go. Right. So here also same thing you can use here. See, there's an option here. You can attach your any file. So I'm giving here any file. So since I have already here in the desktop, so I'm uploading the same thing. Students data. Where is the students? Here. Okay. So let me paste the same prompt, copy this, and paste the same prompt out here. It's analyzing, it's uploading the image. So DeepSeek is also quite very good, very good. I would say it's very, very good compared to ChatGPT. It is getting much more popular nowadays. You know, I'm very familiar with all of these three, so making you more familiar so they can able to use it more, specific way. So this is the way it is going to generate. Fine, very good. See, there is no mistake. Whatever it is being given by ChatGPT, Gemini, they understood. Actually, they understood properly. How I'm asking, this is the what important the prompt is. Often I have to say you might be a very good chat gpt, but I'm I'm very sure that you're still lacking with the prompt. Okay, for being a skillful in prompt you have to go for many courses online. You can go through with the courses online, and you can able to try this. Yes, see here. Let me know if you like to actually chat generate. Yes, yes. Obviously, I want that. I want to see that, right? So you can apply three of these. You can apply ChatGPT, you can apply Gemini, you can apply DeepSeek. So they are going to show you how it is being, performing all these things, and they will also generate the images, easily. Based on this, they are going to generate the images. Okay, so you can try out without wasting much time. I don't want to waste time. You can try this, and you'll find the, image out here as well. Okay, and if you're facing any issue, let me know. I'll teach you how to do that. Okay, to what I say. Would you like any chart modifier or additional division? No, just give me the graphs. Okay, so here is the five graphs coming here. You can able to see it. So if you click out here, this image, you are going to get the graphs. They generate the graphs, and you are going to see a wonderful graphs created by DeepSeek. Okay. So in this way, you can able to do. They are going to generate the image out here. So you can try in this way. Fine. So there are a lot of things that you can able to generate out here. If you want to generate out itself here, you can do that also, no problem. Okay, so they have a lot of things you can generate out here. They give a lot of things, so you can try all of these three. Okay, now coming to the next point. Say suppose you are having a very big data set. Say suppose you are a civil engineer. Suppose you are a civil engineer. I'm assuming that you are a civil engineer and you have to calculate and give the estimation. So let me just see. I have downloaded one file of say suppose this is your estimating template. So construction estimation. Okay. So you're going to construct, you got a project to construct and you have to give a report, or maybe you have to put up a bill, filing the bill to the, to the block. And see, this is a very big data set, very, very big data set. So this type of big data set, you might be facing some challenges. So what you can do if you're having this type of Excel, which is not properly formatted, this also what you can do the same thing, what I have shown you. Um, Look here, add once again, I'm adding once again, file, and that file is already here in the download file, and this is the construction estimate, right? Okay, so you can write the proper what I have given, the same thing, create as the best, including the title and all these things. So you can use this same. Okay, you can use this, will give you a very good appropriate one. So I'm giving enter. Okay, this will also come again. So you can use, there are a lot of prompts that you can be used, that you can apply, so you don't need to worry. So this is the way how you can become smarter nowadays. More likely, you would like to process that way. Guide me how to create them in Excel or Python. So you want in Python is a programming. Yes, obviously, since because it's a big data set, you can convert. Otherwise, you can do, you can say, give me the total budget in Excel format, or if you want in Word file format. Okay, then number one, you should write give the download file, also you can say link, so that if you click there you can find out that download file, and then you can able to download that image. So give me the total budget in the Excel format or Word file format in the given download file. So this is how they are going to make you screen upload their project and all these things they have made it. Since I have, so once I get this information, I'll then send you download Excel file, Word file of the total budget calculation. Okay, so they have seen, yes, table source a few row of the data here, example this. Okay, fine. Yes, go ahead. So in this way, you can able to generate, you can able to Excel your file, then create the Excel format, then you can able to download, you can able to generate any type of this one. Okay, so this way you can able to read the contents, and then you try to create those files. Okay, or if you want to give me the mm, bar graphs, give me the bar graphs. You can ask for line graph and everything. See, they're asking the projection how they want the bar graph. Please copy and paste a few row of the data, or just let me Excel. Okay, fine. They are saying to understand, please copy just few rows. So what you can do, big data set, you can obviously do, there is not a big problem. So I'm going to just copy a few of them. Say, since there's a name out here, okay, fine, copy, and then you can also paste it out here. Okay, you can paste it, no problem. You can do in this format also, there's no issue. Wait, because of the, see, it is already generated copy file. This is the way how you can cut this file, no problem, because it is already copied out here. So in this way, okay. Now what you can do, go to the last portion and shift enter and give the graphs. So in this way also you can do part by part if you want to do it. Give the line graphs. Okay, so they will generate this in this way. You can copy and then paste. If you have a soft copy, you can just copy and paste that out here. So line graph is going to generate the line graph here. Compare cost and all these things. upload the CVS. If you are, I'll send a read to use Excel file with chat. If you upload a, CSV Excel will format the same thing. You can do generate the graphs. Okay. So often what I used to do, I never do directly out here since we used to apply Python programming, and that is more easier to do that, but it will take you time. So I'll make you more clear how to make it. If you are prepared, I can create and send a download Excel file with this, just upload a CSV file and then. Okay, let's just check this. After that, we'll create. Yes. You want to create that in an Excel file format or something, then you can do that also. That is not a big problem. See here, we can Excel file, we can generate. Then they will, they're showing my limited. That's why it is showing you. If you want, I can send you a sample or template with Python. See here, they are saying with Python. So what happened when the big data set is that you have to upload big data set, it's better you use Python. So Python will take little time to understand for you all. So but you keep trying, that you'll be, this will be helping you. Okay, in Gemini also you can try the same thing. Click here and you can try in here also. You can upload and try. Just keep a try. If you have any problem, let me know. I'm having network issue. Keep trying. Let me know if you have any problem. I'm going to show you, because since the net issue is there, so it is showing me, because my chat gpt is properly trained, it is fine tuned, so it asks a lot of questions to make it more clear, more specific. You can able to generate. Okay, let us go with another one, last one. I'm going to show you the last one. Say if you are having a word file now, not Excel file. I'm assuming that you are having a word file. Okay, I'm assuming that you are having a Word file. So let me assume that this is your student ID. So I have already taken here. You are having a student ID Word file here of class 10 students. Okay, class 10 mark student. So I'm having this student's ID in Word file. Same thing you can do for this. What you have to do is, again, you attach. It is limited in ChatGPT. So let me try with Gemini now. Click, let me upload file, and then add the from group. Let me add the student. Uh, what is the student file name with student? Uh, Student ID. Yes, I got it. So I'm uploading this. Now I'll ask, give the graphs, or you can, without wasting much time, better type that graph, that uh, uh, type prompt which I have given, copy it and paste it out here and check it once. Is it go to create a data set? And okay, fine. Okay. Okay, let us take it with this. Another problem is there, but still I'm trying with this. Create a proper graph for this Excel sheet. Or I wrote an Excel here. It should be written as Word file, okay? Not in Excel, it is a Word file. Okay, otherwise they'll get confused. I'm a bit faster, that's why I'm just without reading. But you should read, then it should give here in the Word file, okay? And then after that you can generate the text, okay, create the bar total score of the students, and all these things, details are given. Now this chart will provide comprehensive the students perform based on the providing data. Okay. So sometimes you need to read what they are telling you and what they are suggesting you. Based on the suggestion, if you feel that is better for you, you can go ahead with that. Okay. So you can use it is analyzing out here. In the same while, in the same time, I'm doing here out here also, so that in the same way it will go ahead, so that we can show you in different ways in the desktop. Student ID. Yes, fine. Now again, I'm copying the same prompt out here and I'm generating it here also, Gemini also, even in DeepSeek. I'll copy this, then give the same file name. So this will save your time and you'll become more perfect in your office People will say you that, oh yes, you are my best teacher, right? And when you show this type of performance to your head of department, maybe your principal, or maybe when you're presenting this type of project to your teachers in the final project, surely they are going to appreciate you. Surely they are going to appreciate you. You don't need to be worried. Okay, in this way you can able to generate. Okay, fine. Here their images are there. You can generate here also. You can click this can be generated out here. Let's see, it is being generated here also. Maybe because of net issue, you can just copy chart as image, and uh, you can try in the Word file and paste it out here. Okay, okay, let's try just paste it out here, and you can do create. Then I think I have to go more detail with Gemini and DeepSeek so that you can get much more idea. Today, since I'm running parallel all the three, see it's getting loaded. So it's showing different this one. So would you like to generate all these chat and send to you in a download Word or Excel file with visible? If you say yes, you can say yes. Okay, say yes. That will be, you can get the link to download that, and that will be more appropriate to analyze. So since I'm running three in continuous way, so it is getting little uploaded. So you can try this. Okay, and if you want to convert from Word to Excel, you can say convert this this Excel file into Word file. Okay, in this way you can write. Okay, convert the Excel file into Word file. Then that Excel file will convert it into your Word file, and you can able to download, and you can able to present. Same thing you can use in Gemini also. You can use in here also. So these are the things which are going to, since my this one is going on. So you prefer I can generate and send you zip or Word file and tools and everything. They are asking because they want to be more specific what you are asking for. Uh, Here itself, or you can say generate the graph here itself. Okay, so they will analyze and they will try to generate. I'll teach you how to use the Python, how to generate the file of this Python. You can able to create, and all these things they have shown you here. Give the graphs. So in this way you can able to generate different types of graphs using all these three. Fine. Huh? Keep a try. Keep a try. Okay. Since I having network issue, so and my data set is already being almost enough. So that's why it is showing in this way. See here it is showing you have reached your data analyze limited. This happened for ChatGPT. Okay. But if you try with Gemini, it is free, of course. You can try as much as you can. Okay. So giving you the average and all these things. Here is the thing. See how it is generating. If you want a line graph, you can get the line graph and all these things. So likewise, you can able to generate different types of uh, mm, data set. Either it is from Excel file or it is a Word file. You don't need to be hesitate. So go ahead, enjoy. I hope these videos will help those who are employed, especially those who are a teacher, who are teaching students. And if you are a student, you need to prepare a project file. This becomes a very important. You can able to frame out. You can be an Excel. Keep following my channel. And I do love that. I will be more appreciable if you subscribe my channel, that you might not miss upcoming important channels, so that you can have to follow more good channel. I'm coming up with different how to you can design how to create an apps and many other things. I'm coming up in the coming days. So uh, keep watching. That's what I want to say you all. And keep practicing all these powerful AI, artificial intelligence tools. They will skill up your skill. Try many things and try to use proper prompt. Maybe if you're a beginner, okay, you can try without prompt also. But I would suggest if you try with proper prompt, your chat GPT will become more smarter and smarter in the days to come. Thank you once again for watching till the end. Thank you. See you next time.